Welcome back. Hopefully you had some time to think about the vulnerability in this code. If you didn't get it, that's fine. We'll go over the answer now. To see what's wrong with the code, let's walk through what's actually happening here. Like we said earlier, it all makes sense. Set the balance that sender has contributed, set their wallet address, then return the Ether. The problem is, you don't ever know exactly how a wallet will choose to interact with your contract. They might do something completely different than you had expected. In this case, the problem is right here. In this line, payout is calling a function that exists within the contributing wallet. Once calling that wallet, we're leaving it up to its function to determine what commands exist inside of that wallet. What if, for instance, the function in the contributing wallet were to call the withdrawal coins function from this fundraiser contract? In this case, the withdrawal coins function would start over. This happens before the balance is ever set to 0. If we can do this over and over, we'll continue taking Ether, potentially until we drain the entire contract. So that's it. That's the secret of how this code, the DAO, resulted in the loss of around $60 million in Ether. It's really that simple, and it's a great example of how easily something like this can be overlooked. Before we move on, there's a couple more steps I'd like you to get some experience with. Now that you know the vulnerability, see if you can write the code into the wallet that would actually exploit the weakness shown here. To do that, you can copy the code down below over to Remix. From there, write a few lines of code into the wallet contract. Once you're done, deploy each wallet, then use them to interact with each other. One tip I'll give ahead of time is that you can't just withdraw infinitely. Endless execution of the function within the contract will max out the contract's capacity, resulting in an error. Like before, we'll go over this in the next video, but see if you can get the solution ahead of time to get some practice.